Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's tutorial, I am sharing with you a very easy to make pattern of cordless, and this cordless pattern can be used in different crochet projects, and you can make summer baby headband with this pattern as well, and you can make flower on this cordless headband. Many of the crochet flowers tutorial are already available on my channel. You can check them out. So for this crochet project, I am using a 4 mm crochet hook and silk yarn, which is equal to 4 ply yarn in thickness, almost equal. So first of all, make a slip knot like this. You can make slip knot in different ways, that's up to you. Now with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, we are going to work into this very first chain. We are going to make double crochet, so wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this, go into this 4th chain from the hook, and then draw up a loop like this. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then into the same chain, make double crochet 2, into the same chain, make double crochet 3. So after making 3 double crochet stitches like this, make chain 1, and in this same last chain make a double crochet like this. So you can see this pattern here. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work, and we are going to work in this chain 1 space. So in this chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and a double crochet, into this chain 1 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work, and in this chain 1 space make a double crochet. You can make chain 2 instead of chain 3 as well, that's up to you. Then make double crochet 2 in this chain 1 space and a double crochet 3. Make chain 1, and in this same chain 1 space make a double crochet like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work again, and in this chain 1 space double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, again we have to make chain 1 and a double crochet in this chain 1 space. So you can see this pattern. Now make 3 chains, turn up the work again, and in this chain 1 space 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, then 2, 3, third double crochet stitch, chain 1 and a double crochet. So this is the pattern for this cordless. You can use this pattern to make headband as well. I will make a few more rows with this pattern. So I have made a few more rows, so you can see how this pattern looks. So you can use this cordless in different crochet projects as you like. So if you like this short tutorial video, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.